Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make dashi sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients for this foundational Japanese broth. You'll need about 4 cups of water, 1 piece of dried kombu, which is a type of kelp, and 1 cup of bonito flakes, which are thinly shaved, dried, and smoked tuna. These simple components combine to create a rich, savory umami flavor that is the heart of many Japanese dishes. It's surprisingly easy to prepare this delicious base at home. Next, let's prepare our key ingredients. Take your piece of kombu and gently wipe its surface with a damp cloth to remove any dirt. It's important not to wash it under running water, as the white powdery substance on the kombu is mannitol, a natural sugar that contributes to its umami flavor. Now, place the kombu in a pot with 4 cups of cold water. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or even overnight in the refrigerator to extract maximum flavor. Have your bonito flakes ready for the next step. Now, let's cook our dashi. Place the pot with the kombu and water on the stove over medium-low heat. Slowly bring the water to a bare simmer, watching carefully. Just before it reaches a full boil, when you see small bubbles forming around the edges, remove the kombu. Leaving it in too long can make your dashi bitter. Immediately add 1 cup of bonito flakes to the hot water, then turn off the heat. Let the bonito flakes steep for about 5 to 10 minutes until they sink to the bottom. Finally, strain the dashi through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, discarding the solids. Your homemade dashi is now ready. You can use it immediately or store it for later. Fresh dashi keeps well in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days in an airtight container. For longer storage, you can freeze it for up to 2 weeks. Dashi is incredibly versatile, forming the base for delicious miso soup, ramen broths, and many simmered dishes. It also makes a fantastic, flavorful liquid for sauces and dipping. And for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary adventures with this essential Japanese stock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.